Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to share with you what are the best prop firms for swing trader. So if you're a swing trader, you're watching the right video. The first one is going to be the FTMO. Of course, like all these like links you can have down below in the description with also bonuses, so you can check it out. With FTMO, so it's the safest and most established option. So you have swing account available, so that's great. It allows holding trades overnight and even over weekends. No news restrictions on the swing account, a very transparent rules, strong reputation for payouts, and you have also great customer support. What is great is that what I like is that they are from Czech Republic. I live next to the Czech Republic and they are from Prague. So like even when you're going to check here the reviews, and for example the reviews on like Google Play, it's very good. So FTMO is like good way to go. But you have 1-30 on swing leverage. So that's it. Some traders say the daily loss limit kills many swing trades after normal pullback. Evaluation fee is higher than smaller firms, and also passing is easier than staying fun and long term. Now, this is for the FTMO, what I recommend to do. The next one is like the 5 Rs. So this is like another one. This is like conservative long-term funding style, good for slow swing strategies. Traders praise risk-based funding, not hype-based scaling. Good for traders who hold for days with small risk per trade. And you can have also the positive reputation on Reddit for payouts and long-term consistency. The cons is like tight risk rules, difficulty for swing traders who need wide stop losses, and slower scaling compared to FTMO or MyForex funds, and fewer trading instruments and tighter conditions. Now, the next one is the MyFundedFX, and this one, what you have to be aware of is that it allows holding trades over the weekend and trading during news, often cheaper challenge than FTMO, and good for traders using automated systems. Fast payouts according to many users. The cons, so you can like use this 2-step challenge, either like not to avoid 1 step. And then you also the Fidelcrest. This is another one that I want to share with you. So the Fidelcrest, yeah, is not working maybe. And then also FundedNext, right? So FundedNext is another one that you can like check out, and good for medium-term swing strategies due to flexible holding rules, scaling up to large accounts. Some are also like you have smooth payout on it. You have also great reviews on Trustpilot. You have like mixed reputation on it. Also complaints about lucky dashboard and slow support, and then need careful reading of new related rules. So that's pretty much it. The FTMO is one of the best ones, like check it out. Hope this video helped you, and have a great day and goodbye.